Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle, a four-star Sudoku, in additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, January the 24th, 2024. And I've already solved one puzzle, the three stars Sudoku with 25 printed digits. Thank you, publisher. The three stars Sudoku with 25 printed digits. Yeah, he's back. We have three puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku, and this one, the four stars Sudoku. Number. This will be number. Let me zoom this in. Number 7864. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, I think this one has 24. Let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 24 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have here 2 ones. We have here 2 twos. 1, 2 threes. 3 fours. 4 fives. All right. 2 sixes, 2 sevens, 2 eights, and 2 nines. So the fives are in majority. Can I start with the 5? Yes, 5 in this column. 5 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so the row above, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the second column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 5 in the first column, 5 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 5. We have 1 in this row, 1 in the middle row, so the row above, the only place left, the 1 should be there. I need a 4 here, okay. Need an 8 here. How about the number? We have 4 missing numbers in the middle column. One of the missing number in the middle column is number 8. We have 8 in this big square, or 2 missing numbers in the middle column are the 2 and the 8. We have a 2 and an 8 in this big square, so no 2 and 8 in these 2 boxes. 2 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 2 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the middle column for numbers. The 1 and the 2. 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 4 in the middle, in this row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. So 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 in this big square. Should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for the rest. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6. 7 is missing. The 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9. 7 and 9. Alright. So we have a 9 in this column. Third column, 9 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. So no 9 there, 9 should be there. Need a 9 here. Alright, need a 9 here. Need 8 here. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. Then need a 7 here. 4, yeah. No, 4, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6, okay. 3 missing numbers. numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6. Okay. Let me see. 4 in this column. 4 in the column X. So the last column, the only place left of 4 should be there. 4, 4, 4. We need a 4 here. Okay. Let me zoom this. Okay. Let me see. Yeah. I need a 6 here. I need a 7 there. And now, well, 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. So now, 1, 4, 6. So these 2 missing numbers should be the 7 and the 9 then. We have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the man. 9. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? The 1 is missing, the 2, 3, the 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 1, 4, 7, okay. And now, 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place level 3 should be there. 1, 4, 7, 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in the first row. One of the missing number in the first row is number 6. We need a 6 in the first row. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. Here can be 6. We have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. So the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 6, 6. Yeah. 6, 6, 6, okay. So the 1 and the 2 missing numbers now in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 1 in the second column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 7 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. 4 and 7. We have a 7 in the second row. No 7 there. 7 should be here and the 4 goes there. We need a 4 here. Alright. 4, 2. Need an 8. 2, 4, 8. And a 1. How about 4, 4. 4. These 3, 2, 3, 8. 8. Here, I need 8 there. 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number in this row is number 8. Yeah. Here can be an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here, could be there. 8, 2. 2 and a 3. Well. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well. About a 7 then. 7. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 in these 2 boxes. 7 in the second column, no 7 in that box. So 1 box left for the 7 in this big square should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 3 places left for the 7 should be here, or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 in this column, so no 7 there. Only place left for the 7 should be there. So 2 numbers left now in this row for the must. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8 is missing, 9 is missing. 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in that column, so the column 3, no, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above, so that row, the only 2 places left for the 8. Could be here, could be there. So here we have an 8, here we have an 8, that means in this column, the second column, we need an 8. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. Here can be an 8, we have 8 in the middle row, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 in the second column should be there. Alright, 2 numbers left in the second column from us. 1, the 2 is missing, the 3 and the 4 is missing. 2 and the 4, 2 and the 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 goes there. 2 numbers left now in this big square from us. 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and 8. 3 and 8. That means 1 box left now in this row for number. I believe the 2 is missing. 2, 2, 2, yeah. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6 is missing. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. That column, the only place level 3 should be there. Then, let me see. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So the row between, the only place left for 4 should be here. So the other 2 should be the 1 and the 6. Okay, 1, 4, 6. Okay, yeah, 1 and a 6. We have all the 4s. Nope. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second row, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 4. Alright. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing and the 2 is missing. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let me mark those 2 boxes. And the third row, we need a 9 here. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, only 2 places left for 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this column, 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 6 in the third row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And 1 goes there, so 1 digit left in this big square for number. The 1, the 2 is missing. 1 and the 2, we have a 2 now in the second row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 1 goes there. And 1 box left in this column for number 1. How about... yeah, 7 in this row, 7 in the last row. So the row between the only 2 places level 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the third column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 7. Then. How about the 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column? So the first column, only 2 places level the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in the last row, no 2 there. 2 should be. I've eliminated there the 8, so the 8 goes there. 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So the row between the only place level the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Okay, alright, 3 and 8. We have an 8 now in the third column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 3 goes there. We have all the 3s, no, 3 in this column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 1 and 6, 1 and 6. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 and 6, we have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7 and 8. 9 is missing, 6 and a 9, 6 and a 9. We have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finished in 14 minutes. Cannot believe this. 14 minutes. Quicker than the previous Sudoku, although it has 24 printed digits. And faster than the previous Sudoku. Well, told you, sometimes you have a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But this one, yeah, is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. 2 stars? No. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. And pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.